Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create a new MetaMask account. First, navigate to the official MetaMask website and download the browser extension. Once downloaded, add it to your preferred web browser, like Chrome or Firefox. After installation, make sure to pin the MetaMask icon to your browser's toolbar for quick and easy access whenever you need it. Now that the extension is installed, click on the MetaMask icon. You'll see an option to create a new wallet. Select this to start. Read through the terms of service carefully and agree to them to continue. Next, you'll need to create a strong, unique password. This password will protect your wallet on your device, so choose wisely. This is the most crucial step, securing your secret recovery phrase. MetaMask will present you with a 12-word phrase. This phrase is the master key to your funds. Write it down on paper and store it in a very safe, offline place. Never, under any circumstances, share this phrase with anyone, as it grants full access to your wallet. To finalize your setup, MetaMask will ask you to confirm your secret recovery phrase by re-entering the words in the correct order. Once confirmed, your new MetaMask wallet is successfully created and ready for you to use for all your decentralized applications and cryptocurrency transactions. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.